To add Core to Metamask, start by opening the Metamask browser extension or mobile application. If you do not have Metamask installed, download and install it from the official website or App Store. Once Metamask is open, click on the Add Network button. This will prompt a new window to appear where you can enter the network details. To add Core, you will need to enter the following information: network name, RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. The network name is Core. The RPC URL is HTTPS. Core, network. The chain ID is 900. The currency symbol is Core. And the block explorer URL is https://explorer.core, network. Enter these details into the corresponding fields in the Add Network window. After entering the network details, click the Save button to add the Core network to Metamask. You should now see the Core network listed in your list of available networks in Metamask. To use the Core network, select it from the list of available networks. Now you can interact with the Core network using Metamask, including sending and receiving Core tokens, interacting with Core-based applications, and viewing your account balance. It is essential to ensure that you are adding the correct network details to avoid any issues or losses. Always verify the network details with the official Core website or documentation before adding the network to Metamask. By following these steps, you can easily add the Core network to Metamask and start interacting with the Core ecosystem.